This is an IKEA Hamness bookcase. You're looking at the top of it where I have my tools and the tripod. We're really close to the ceiling as this is a tall item. In this video, I'm going to show you how to anchor a tall item to the wall, secure it to the wall in a way that's actually holding. It could be a dresser, it could be anything that's tall. If you pull a drawer out on the dresser, it's going to be really top heavy and wants to fall forward. So it needs to be really solidly anchored to the wall. And for that purpose, IKEA gives you some hardware, and this can work. I'm going to show you how. Tools needed: drill bit, screws, and this drill bit has its diameter matching the bolt or screw, just like so. So the screw threads are outside of the drill bit. You don't want it as big as the drill bit. The reason for that is we're drilling into the metal studs here. This is a piece of magnet. This is where the magnet stays on this gyprock drywall. It's hollow, so there's really nothing holding a screw in this other than at the stud, into the stud. So one wall stud is obviously here. This is where one wall stud is. Here is another one, and the third one, of course, is in the corner. Now, the bookcase cannot be in the corner because on the ground we have this baseboard, and we're not cutting the baseboard out just so we can shove this into the corner this way and into the corner this way. So we're gonna have to make it work with what we have. First, find the studs and move the hardware to where the studs are. So there's gonna be a gap here. The gap is gonna be as thick as the thickness of the baseboard down there. So don't suck the top in all the way. That's gonna make the bookcase or dresser tilt towards the wall. That's not the idea. So the idea is to have it level on all of its four legs firmly attached, and then have this one screwed into the stud right here. And for this, you might want to draw a pencil line showing you where the stud is. How do we know the stud is there? Because the drywallers put the drywall and the drywall screws into the stud. So you don't want to put a screw on top of another screw, because then the second screw is just not gonna go in to begin with. You can of course find studs with a stud finder. I like magnets, nothing wrong with that. So I'm gonna drill a hole in the stud or thereabouts. I hope this spot here makes sense. I marked the location where I want to drill in, and this is the drywall only. The drill bit just goes in really easily. And then this is going into the steel stud. I can feel it because the drill point is not advancing just yet. There. Now it went through the steel stud. Very straightforward. Put the bracket on it with the screw and the washer. This screw is in the stud, and so this bracket is not coming away from the wall. Next item is of course a wood screw that needs to go in here. This wood screw needs to be not here, it needs to be at the end of this slot here. The reason why there is a slot to begin with is because there could be a baseboard, like in this case, anywhere, and so you need to put the screw at the end of it so the item, dresser, bookcase cannot move forward in this direction. So for this, I need an appropriately sized drill bit to pre-drill the top of the bookcase or the dresser. I loosen the screws and lower this bracket so the horizontal part of the bracket lies flat on top of the bookcase, dresser, whatever you have. So for the second screw, last screw, that's gonna go right in here. I have a skinnier drill bit for a skinnier screw. It's the same idea. The drill bit is not larger in diameter than the center part of the screw. All right, let's test it. I'm pulling on it towards the camera, and it's not moving already because it's firmly attached to the stud. It's gonna be even better if I repeat all of these steps for a second set of these brackets, and then it's gonna be finished. To make sure the screw head doesn't pop into the channel, I put a washer underneath it, so I have two sets of the same anchored to the studs. And let's pull on it. Solid. That's how it looks like from the side. Again, this distance is the same distance as the thickness of the baseboard down there. So the bookcase, dresser, what have you, is firm and level. The vertical pieces are plumb, the horizontal pieces are level, and so that's just how it works out. That gap is there. Also solid sideways. I'm pulling on it sideways. We are done. And just needs very few tools. Does not need a tape measure, doesn't need any other item to drill bit, a screwdriver bit, one magnet, and the hardware already provided. Done. I guess I should clean up the top here, it's filthy.